Hi! In front of me is OPPO A18 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Finally, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Then click on Delete button right next to the Edit one. And last but not least, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!